I love my mother, I love my father. We love each other, why should you bother? I love my sister, I love my brother. I love my grandpa, he is my lover. When he was sometimes entering my shower, I always felt that flaming desire. My grandpa is very sick because of my vicious dick. It always was meant to be. My grandpa has hate from me. People are jealous that I have somebody, but I don't care that it's my daddy's daughter. Our love is strong, beautiful and true. His body's old, but his soul is quite new. We are like buttons during bloody war. He left me despite I'm a little whore. My grandpa is very sick because of my vicious dick. It always was meant to be. My grandpa has it from me.
Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. How I wonder what your taste. From whom grandpa has the ace?
Me. Me.